Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making an amazingly simple recipe. Chinese steamed egg with shrimp. My family eats this often. It's super comfortable and healthy. I'm sure you will like it. Let's get started. First, let's simply marinate the shrimp. A quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and that's it. We will work on the egg. You will need 3 large eggs. Crack them and scramble it. Add 1 cup of water and 1/3 teaspoon of salt. I don't like to add black pepper, garlic, or any other spices directly into the egg because those small particles will ruin the texture. I want the texture to be as smooth as possible, so I let it go through a fine sieve to get rid of the bubbles. If there is any egg left in the sieve, you just use a spatula to press it down. That's it. Put this in the steamer, steam it on high heat for about 6 minutes. This is 6 minutes later. You can place the shrimp on top of the egg. As you can see, the egg is super soft, so you want to be very careful here not to break it. You can make this dish without the shrimp. I didn't grow up rich, so my mom often makes this without the shrimp, and it still tastes delicious. Cover it, let it steam for another 2 minutes. What we are looking for is the shrimp to turn pink. Take it out. Let's make a quick seasoning. Combine 2 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and few drops of sesame oil together. Sprinkle some diced spring onion on the top and pour the sauce in it. That's it. Fast and easy. Let's give it a try. Look at that texture. It's so smooth and soft. You can eat it as breakfast or serve it as a side dish. It is also perfect for old and babies. I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment and let me know how it went. As usual, check the description for the written down recipe and please give me a thumbs up. If you like Chinese food, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any episode. If you want to know more about me or support me, check out my Patreon link right there. And I'll see you next time. Bye!